Hey, little quick tutorial here, just on the 1 and 3 inch punch. So this is about 12 pounds, maybe a little bit more. Anyways, I've had it for a long time, and basically I'm going to show you how to throw that punch, because a lot of people, what they do is they push with their body. They go like that, and if you have somebody who's not suspecting it, that'll work. But in order to generate the power, I want you to see that what you want to do is you start right here and you end up there. So the movement should be here, boom, and you bring up the hand, okay? Your body, right, you can see that foot, your body moves down, boom. And that's how the punch is delivered, and that gives you a lot of power. So if you're in a situation where you have to put your hands up and somebody's getting here close to you, that's when you would use this. So let me demonstrate. Okay? Let's try that one more time. Last one. Here we go. You hit it and you pull up. And here we go. Okay. I hope that helps.